Hello, it's Linda here from Lányos Handmade, and I just wanted to show you today what I got in my Blueberry Quilt Patch order. Here's some zipper tape and a couple of zipper pulls, this pretty little flower. And this one is a tassel. I haven't made the tassel yet, but I did shove 4 inches of cork in here because I was curious how much cork actually fit in that little cap. And there's some incredibly long, sturdy screws that will hold all this in. You could probably see the hole there. And that's going to be pretty cool having a tassel on my zipper pull. So I haven't decided what I'm going to make with these things yet, but that won't be difficult. There'll always be a new pattern idea. And she's got some handmade labels here that I can put on. And the other thing that was really cool was this key fob because of the heart shape on the bottom of it. It's really cool. Now you could even take this off and just use it as is if you didn't want to have it for keys, but it's pretty cool like this too. I like this. Anyway, I did take one apart. It wasn't too hard to take apart, and I was just absolutely totally fascinated with my new screwdriver because it's got a magnet on the end and it holds on to that screw really well. You have to pretty much yank it off to get it off of there. So I took the screws out of this one. This one has the screws, right? And the stuffing here. The screws are gone from this one, and so it opens up. And you're supposed to measure out your little pieces this same size so that you can have the screws 1, 2, 3. This was just a filler in there. You could keep the same filler if you needed it. And this is your other piece that you would cut out to copy. And then after you put it back together again, you can have any design you wanted, pink, purple, yellow, blue, stripes, you know, cat face, whatever. And then you put your screws back in and you're done. So you can switch this out with any kind of material. You know, I don't know about fraying stuff. Fraying stuff might be a little bit, I'd be tempted to stick fray check on the edges of stuff that frays, but a piece of cork would fit in here really nicely. So I can put that together and have that hanging off my bag too. So that's a cool idea. I'm happy with those. I got a few of those. And I guess that's all I have to show you. It's just a quick little video today. If you have any questions, you know, be sure and leave a comment. Blueberry Quilt Patch is giving away a couple of these key fobs, but we're running out of time, so, you know, you got to hurry up. It's over in the Lányos Handmade Pattern Party group, and if you tag a friend in the group, your name gets put in for a chance to win one of these. So if you're on Facebook, that might be something that interests you. Anyway, I can't wait to get started on this. So many projects to do in so little time. Thanks for watching.